Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another episode from mksenglish.com. I'm Mark, your host, and today we're going to talk about daily routines and how to describe them using adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens, and they make your English sound more natural and interesting. Adverbs of frequency are words like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. There are a few more, but these are the ones that we're going to look at today. And they answer the question, how often? For example, how often do you drink coffee? Well, I always drink coffee in the morning. This means 100% of the time. How often do you go jogging before work? I sometimes go jogging before work, and that's about 50% of the time. How often do you eat breakfast after 9 a.m.? Well, I never eat breakfast after 9 a.m. That's 0% of the time. I wake up pretty early. So, where do they go in a sentence? Well, there are three rules. Rule number one is with the verb be. The adverb of frequency comes after the be verb. For example, she is always happy in the morning. Rule number two, with other verbs, they come before the main verb. For example, I usually wake up at 6:30. And rule number three, with auxiliary verbs like have or will, the adverb goes after the auxiliary and before the main verb. For example, I have never been to Australia, or she will often study at night. So, story time. Listen carefully to this short paragraph. My name is Tom, and I'm a high school student. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I always eat breakfast before school. I often ride my bike to school, but I sometimes take the bus if it's raining. After school, I rarely do homework immediately. I like to relax first. I never go to bed after midnight because I need to wake up early. Okay, so that's Tom's routine, right? Now, I want you to think about your own daily routine. What time do you usually wake up? What's something you always do in the morning? For example, I always drink coffee in the morning. And last question, what's something you never do at night? All right, quick challenge. I'll give you an activity, and you say how often you do it using an adverb of frequency. Number one, eat out at a restaurant. Maybe you might say something like, I sometimes eat out at a restaurant. Number two, watch TV before bed. Number three, call a friend on the phone. Number four, exercise in the morning. Okay, so that's it for today's English practice. Remember, adverbs of frequency are small words, but they make your daily routine descriptions much clearer. Keep practicing by writing or speaking about your day using always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. See you next time at mksenglish.com. Bye.